Hey guys, it's me, Erin Conway. Today, I am gonna shout out someone at the end. Shout out someone. And so I'm gonna show you my glitter slime. Okay, so if you like that video that I did on the glitter slash glossy slime, comment down below. And comment down below what you would like me to do next. Like a game or... Okay, so this is the slime. Okay, so I've seen on like YouTube and stuff, like if you like put some pen in some slime, it'll like help it apparently. So it's gonna make it like nice. Okay. Okay. Okay, so if you didn't see my last video, I used this activator. Okay, so this is my old color. Okay, so I got a different color. So I'm gonna pour some activator into this about there, and then you just dab your finger and swipe it and stuff. I just put some activator in because it's like a teeny bit sticky. The last time that I did, when I was showing you my glossy slime, my glossy slash glitter slime, it was really sticky. So, okay. Okay. Sometimes this does happen when you put the activator in, but okay. See what's on my... Okay, guys, so I think I ruined it. I don't know how, but it is working. Okay, guys, so I went in with my hands and then this started to happen. Okay, so this is how I get the slime off my hands. So I get most. So I get like the bit to stuck in my hands and then this. Okay. So. Okay, so it is getting off. Okay. So that's Bella. My cat. My kitty cat. Okay. So I'm just gonna take my cardigan off. Alright. Bella, what are you looking at? You looking at the camera. She's like, she ain't happy. She ain't happy. Right? She ain't happy. Okay. Okay. Okay, we need to... Okay. So I know this isn't going to be a long video, but there's a but. But also, I'll be doing another video after this one. And I'm going to show you, well, you can just see me in the next video. Okay. 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 Okay, guys. So the winner is, drumroll please, Dance Demand. So Dance Demand is the shout out this week. I can't remember what he said because I can't like pause it. Because it's on my iPad and my phone is dead. Okay, so yeah, so if you want to have a shout out, you need to subscribe and like that video. Okay, so okay, and I'll see you in a minute. Good. Bye. Remember, oh, and guys, just to remember to subscribe, give a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the other video. Bye.